All right, welcome to What the Heck Did You Do This Weekend? We are at the Schenectady Recovery Center. I hope I can mount this okay. And we're going to go ahead and drop off a carload of debris. Years ago, you could go ahead and just throw that away at street level, right? But now they raised our taxes, stop taking those things, and you have to come down here, and this is where you're going to get rid of it. So I'm going on to the weighing station, and we're going to figure this out. I've taken 2 truckloads so far out several years ago. Now, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I have basically construction, mostly 95% wood or more.
Oh, okay, just like half full of the window.
Yes, ma'am.
$24.
I hope you take credit cards.
Yeah.
Yay.
No refrigerators, freezers, air conditioners, no TV, anything like that in there.
No, what I do have is a 5-gallon of God knows how old paint. It's probably hard.
As long as it's hard and
Okay. Do you want me to come up, or this is a far reach?
Gotta keep our distance, you know.
Oh my God, yeah, I got my mask right here.
Well, that's the reason we got everybody coming up this way versus that way.
Oh, I figured, yeah.
You had to bleach that room every time somebody came in and out.
Oh my goodness.
Did they just come to the window? You know where you're dumping it?
No, ma'am.
Go straight through this parking lot, driveway to the right. There's a big hole in the ground with a concrete wall around it.
Okay.
And a canopy top. Just throw everything over the wall and down into the trailer we got parked down
It's
there.
been a while. You've worked here years ago, like forever, right?
Forever, yeah. I've been here 18 years this June.
Wow. Take care.
They pay me good.
Yeah. All right, folks. So I'm going to follow the instructions. Oh, the memories, my friends. So this is the first time I've ever videoed anything like this, honestly. Usually I'm in my wood shop these days, and also in the garden. And we're gonna pull over here. My memory says come over to here. Oh my goodness, the advantage of being in a truck is I could have backed up and just threw it right in there. This is going to be a lot of fun. I have to hurl it over a wall. Let's try to figure this out. Let's see if we can. Oh my gosh. Looks like County Waste has the contract over here. I used to work for Waste Management many years ago. That's how I bought my house. Worked my butt off for 2-3 years there. And I think this is going to be where, yeah, that's the best I'm going to be able to do, I think. Shame they're on some kind of ramps. There's a far better chance. Mind you, I got to stay out of the way of other people too. And try not to puncture my tires. That would be bad. All right, so just I certainly can't hold this camera the entire time, but at least I'll show you where it's going to go. It's going to go down into here. This is what I got. I got a whole. Yeah, you know how long that would take me to get rid of. In other ways, use your imagination. So, but I would like to do things the right way. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Put this back in the car.